Take command of the road in the 2013 BMW X5. With fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer, you'll be impressed by a spectacular blend of technology, style, and refinement. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. All-wheel drive provides for safe passage, regardless of road or weather conditions. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. BMW infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as automatic dimming door mirrors, power moonroof, and power front seats. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.